This 2025 Winnebago Solis 59PX is a Class B RV. It is located in Epsom, New Hampshire, 03234 and is offered for sale by Blue Compass RV New Hampshire. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This new Winnebago is 21 feet 0 inches in length and features sleeps 4 and 20 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this Class B features Murphy bed. This 2025 Winnebago Solis 59PX is built on a Ram ProMaster chassis. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.